Parts Technique, Level 2, a demo. Hey subconscious, how are you? I'm alright, thanks. How about yourself? I'm good. So, there's a topic I want to talk to you about. It is, well, you notice what's been going on with the table lately, right? Yeah, it's been getting kind of messy. Yeah. Well, I would like to ask, what do you think about the table getting kind of messy? I don't care. Okay, well, is there a particular reason you don't care? I just don't care. Alright, well, that's a pretty clear position. You don't care. Well, I personally do care. And I would love to see that table much more cleared of clutter and stuff, and the table just be very organized and just, there's just not a lot of stuff on it. And take all the stuff on the table and just put it elsewhere, basically. Or if anything is left on the table, it's barely anything. So that's what I would like. What do you think of that idea? I don't care. Okay. Well, what do you think is the benefit, if you were to come up with a benefit of having the table be cluttered and lots of stuff on it? I don't really know if there's a benefit to having it cluttered, but I don't know. It just doesn't matter to me. All right, fair enough. So what would be the benefit if we had it cleared? Well, it'd look nice. Be nice to be able to find the stuff on the table really easily without having to search for it. I don't know. There's a little bit of benefit to it, but really, I just don't care. Okay, well, I've heard you loud and clear a few times. It's just not a topic you care about. And if you did, hypothetically, if you did care about it, what do you think would influence you to, I don't know, to help me organize the table, clean it up? There has to be something in it for me. Right now, there's just nothing. That's a good point. You're right, there's nothing in it for you. So why would you want to clean it up and organize it? So if there was something in it for you, what might that be? Well, if you could prove to me that cleaning up or clearing up this table is going to, I don't know, make a really big impact for me. I know it might make an impact for you, but what about me? Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out. What is it that you care about? What is it that you want? Because there might be a connection between clearing up and organizing that table and getting what you want. I don't know. I mean, maybe there's a connection, but I don't know. All right, fair enough. So, subconscious, would you mind if I brought in another part to kind of help us out here? I don't care. All right. So, subconscious mind, as I count from 3 to 1, let another part that might have more information emerge. 3, 2, 1. Thank you, part, for emerging. What may we call you? Uniter. All right, Uniter. What can you tell us about the table and the clutter? Not much. Are you the part we need to speak with? Yep. So I'm a little confused. If you don't know much about the table and the clutter, what is the purpose for your visit? I can help you guys come together and figure it out. It doesn't matter if it's the table or in the clutter. It's irrelevant. It could be anything. But I know what the subconscious wants, even if the subconscious doesn't always know it. So if I share that information with you, I think you two will get along just fine and will be able to do whatever it is that needs to get done. Well, Uniter, that sounds like a good deal to me. So what can you share? Well, the part that you're talking to, general subconscious, it wants to have more fun. It wants to relax more. You've been working your subconscious pretty hard lately. And it's not, it understands why a lot of stuff's happening, but it really would like to have more fun. If you can give it more fun, it will do a lot to help out. I like that. I like that a lot. I'd also like to have more fun as well. So I think it's a win-win. Thank you, Uniter. Is there anything else you want to say? No, I'm good. I'm going to go. All right, thank you. So, subconscious, you heard what Uniter said. What do you think? Totally right. I need more fun, and you have been working me pretty hard lately, so we need to have more fun. So how does that connect to the table? It doesn't really, but if you're asking me how it could connect, I might be able to answer that question. If we clutter up the table, it's harder to find items. Slows us down, which means we have to do more stuff than we needed to do. It's less efficient. But if our table is much more organized and everything is in a great place and there just isn't as much stuff around, we'll be much more streamlined. And that will free up some time to have more fun. Though I do need you to promise me that we will actually do that and not just do more work now that we save some time. You have my promise. We will play a little bit more than we have been playing. I know I've been working you pretty hard lately, and it's a temporary thing. You're not going to be working quite so hard soon. We're going to clear up some things that need to get cleared up, and once we empty the plate a little bit, things will be more mellow. I know that. But I still want the promise. I promise you, we're going to have more fun. We'll actually schedule it in at times. Is that a deal? All right, we'll do that. So, I'm in. I will help you to clean up the table, get it organized, and do all that stuff. I know it's been a while. Things have gotten kind of hectic on the table, but soon we'll be back to its normal, organized state. Thank you, subconscious. I really appreciate your help on that. It's been a struggle doing it on my own. In fact, I haven't been able to do it on my own. Well, you know the drill. Yeah, I know. If I stop you from doing something, it doesn't get done. So, I'm not going to apologize for it. It didn't get done because, well, you know why. It just didn't get done. But now, it's a priority for me as well. Because I know that I'm going to get something out of it. More fun. Cool. So, subconscious, is there anything else you want to mention? No, I'm good. All right. So thanks for your help on this. And thank you again, Uniter, for kind of paving the way here. We couldn't have done this without you. So thanks to you both, and talk to you later. Talk to you later.